guys, thanks so much for stopping in for another Vlogmas. Today is the 5th day of Vlogmas. All right, so if you are like me, guys, at the end of a long day of shopping, hanging out with friends and family, going to holiday parties, you crave a night of relaxation. All right, so I like to start my night off by lighting a few candles. I am really enjoying these candles right here, guys. I shared these with you in a holiday haul a few videos back. I actually purchased these from Marshall's. I'll leave the link for that video below. But candles, guys, as you well know, absolutely set the mood for relaxation and unwinding. So guys, once I have my candles lit, I go ahead and get my bath water running or started. If your bathtub is anything like mine, guys, it takes forever for the tub to fill with water, okay? So what I'm going to do to add some moisturizing properties to my water is add in, guys, my very own homemade milk and honey soak, S-O-A-K, and soap, S-O-A-P, all in one. All right, I make this myself, guys. I kind of bottle it up here in this repurposed honey jar or container. I think it looks so cute. But the ingredients for the soap and soak, guys, just simply some natural unscented soap, and you can pick that up from Whole Foods. Some Epsom salt. You guys know Epsom salt is great for those sore, achy muscles. Some whole milk, and of course honey. And I'll leave all of those ingredients below in the description box. And so, guys, as if the homemade soap was not enough to make my bath really lavish, to kick it up a few notches even more, I incorporate this sugar scrub that I reserve and hold back until once I get into the bathtub. But while the water is continuing to run, I add this just decadent charcoal bath coconut soap to the running water. I love these two items together. I actually purchased these from Marshall's. I am really loving my Marshall's here lately. They have a section dedicated to nothing but little lavish spa type accessories. I actually purchased this soap from Marshall's as well. When I take showers, and let me know if you guys do the same thing. When I take showers, I tend to use liquid soaps, but when I'm in the bathtub, I love these just really decadent bath soaps. And again, this one has some exfoliating properties, and I purchased it from Marshall's as well. As my water continues to run, I go ahead and prepare my face mask. Guys, there are so many face masks on the market. However, I feel that none of them stand up to the Indian clay mask. I purchased the powder here from Whole Goods. Not Whole Goods. What is Whole Goods? From Whole Foods, guys. I purchased that Indian clay mask from Whole Foods. And apple cider vinegar I add to it to get just the perfect consistency. And guys, I don't have to tell you all of the benefits of using apple cider vinegar on your skin and also when you ingest it. I love having several tablespoons of apple cider vinegar a day with a couple of splashes of water. It's just great for overall health and just the beauty or beautification of your skin. And so here, guys, I'm just gonna mix it up until I get the right consistency, apply it to my face, and hop into the bathtub. And so regrettably, guys, our baths have to come to an end at some point. All right. And so what I love to do is have a warm, cozy towel waiting on me, or a really nice, luxurious bathrobe waiting for me to slip into once I exit my bath. And so if your bathroom is anything like mine, your master bathroom is located over the garage, and I don't have to tell you how cold those bathrooms over the garage can get. So I want to send a huge thank you out to Luna DiGiorno for sending me this cozy, well-made robe, guys. You'll never see a robe like this outside of, let's say, your Four Seasons, your Ritz-Carltons, or even your Waldorf Astorias. All right, those are some of my favorite hotels, you guys know. So yeah, thank you so much to Luna DiGiorno for partnering with me on today's video, guys. They sent this robe over to me to give a try about a month ago, and I have been reaching for it ever since. This robe was made in Italy, and I can just tell you, it just exudes luxury, and to me it reminds me somewhat of almost like a really well-made trench coat, guys. You're just gonna have to grab one of these up for yourself and give it a try. But I have it here in a really pretty pale gray. You guys know I love me some gray. But as you can see, guys, the robe comes nicely packaged. This is going to make someone a really gorgeous, really comfy Christmas gift. If you're looking for some last minute items, this right here should top your list, guys. It's amazing. So let's have a quick look and see how the robe looks on. So one more time, guys, I have mine here in this really pretty calming pale gray. All right. However, if gray isn't your thing, they have some other fabulous colors over on the website. I actually have my robe here in a size medium. However, what I love about these bathrobes is that they are unisex. So I know a lot of guys watch the channel, as well as you ladies, of course. So just pick up one for your spouse or your significant other. I am pretty sure they will enjoy having one of these really nice bathrobes for the holidays. All right, so head over to lunadigiornobathrobes.com, guys, and you will receive 15% off using the code UNFrumpy15. All right. And they have quite a few other items on the site as well. So if you don't want a bathrobe, but you want something else, no worries. This code will apply to whatever you decide to put into your cart. So when you go over to lunadigiorno.com, also subscribe to their newsletter, guys, and you will also be entered to participate in some of their numerous giveaways for this holiday season. All right, so you cannot go wrong with purchasing one of these fabulous bathrobes, or like I said, one of their other great items over on the site. So let me know what you guys think about the bathrobe. Let me know if you will be purchasing one for yourself or your significant other, or if you are going to choose some of their other numerous items from the website.